Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I'm in the Roadside area in Battletown, Westmoreland. Yeah man, so just take a journey with Fire Reid. Thank you all for stopping by also. Yeah man, just take a drive on the front seat. As you can see, a nice little area built up right here, so right in a Roadside area. So if I don't go to Montego Bay, I feel like you don't want to stop at the restaurant right here, bar and rest stop, you all can have a stop right here. It don't fully open as yet, but by in few more weeks time or so it will open. Very I think it's gonna be a very nice place. It looking very nice. Yeah man, like I get some rain today. So we're coming up on the turn off where we go to Seaport Town. That would be on your right. Not right now, not right now, but we are coming up to it very soon. So this right turn will take you all to Seaport Town. Yeah man, so I'm in the parish of Westmoreland. Driving on B7. Yeah man, we're having some bad road condition, you can see it. Bad road condition. So if you not come through the hills, the soon I encounter with if you not go to Montego Bay airport from yeah man, so I have to use up on the horn, you know. See them drive ya? I have to use up on the horn with paper. Yeah man, so we are driving from B7 right now. So now I can use up on all of them places. I talk about my paper now, we can hold on the steering of them place here. Watch them road them paper. Yeah man, Chopman was so nice to use up him horn. So I can know say I come so I can hold my corner, you know. Big up yourself to the truck driver there. Many truck drivers don't really blow them horn when they come up in a certain corner. So big up yourself, youth. Big up yourself anyway there. Yeah man. And them together we encounter when we drive through the hills of come through Newmarket when we go Battletown them place there, you know. So we have to be very careful on the road. Drive them area, go through Battletown and place there, Battletown. Yeah man, I see hustler and myself ice cream. Yeah man, so I'm driving to Jamaica man, round corner, overtake any place. That's a taxi driver a while ago. Yeah man, so I have to look over them taxi driver there, you know. They not drive with care on the road. Don't care for other road users and stuff. So be careful who you drive with in Jamaica also, to be honest. Driving in the direction of northeast. You have the Campbell Heights, New Mills, Battletown, Westmoreland on your left. Yeah man, big up yourself all the Battletown people, them big up yourself all the Westmoreland people, them same way. Anyone out there watch the channel, just share it all over. Yeah man, a lot of persons want to see them areas, yeah. So just share the channel, Like it up for me, please. Like it up, like it up, like it up. Free of cost. I'm a tour guide. I know a lot of persons plan to come back to Jamaica, coming from Montego Bay Airport. Them I wonder which journey them to take, which road them to take come back to St. Elizabeth side. Yeah man, so now I give you a tour of the area. When you see the road condition, when I go encounter with. Yeah man, on your left you have the Bible Way Apostolic Church on your left. Welcome to Battletown. Big up on yourself again, big up on yourself. Yeah man, I saw them ride by them Yang Seventh-day Adventist Church of Battletown on your right. Battletown Baptist Church on your left. So we just passed through Battletown a while ago. Little town area, very small town area. Battletown Health Center on your right. I'm driving on B7. Just pull off of the road, make him pass, you know. Man, I'm clean up the road because I don't know, say, when at Christmas time, I'm always clean up the road bank. So the people them can have a better view. Only Christmas time, I'm normally do this with paper, them clean up the road, you know. Yeah man, I send them through because I see the road condition. Yeah man, so I give them a signal so I pull off of the road so them can go around. advise it on the road conditions, some part fix and some part don't fix. So yeah man, encounter with this coming from Montego Bay side, you know. So we're having some bumpy ride. So we're coming up to Chester Castle All Age School. So on your right you have the Chester Castle All Age School. Yeah man, so we're across a bridge now. So be careful when you cross a bridge now, because I don't know only one car can pass on it at a time. So thank you guys for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid.